So let's focus on the book that you just published, right? Or the couple books that you might have just published, right? So it's figuring out, how was my launch strategy? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it average? What worked? What didn't work? What can I do better next time? How am I getting reviews? What resources am I using to get reviews? Am I using the Facebook method? Am I using Done For You KDP reviews? Am I using one of the other services? What way am I getting my reviews for my book? And then it's running ads. How does the Amazon ad work? This is a whole different level of skill set that you need to develop just for figuring out and running Amazon ads. And then once you run Amazon ads, the beauty of that is it gives you a whole bunch of data that you're able to start looking at. You're able to see exactly, hey, do customers actually like my cover, right? So what's the click-through rate on that? What does Amazon actually think of my book? Ads will tell you that. And then you start dissecting all of the things that you did in order to publish that book, and you start looking at them in a completely different light. This is not the phase where you are going to judge the business. This is the phase where you start collecting data. Most people, they kind of misread this part of the business. They've been in it for 2 to 4 months and they wonder why they're not making all this money yet, because you don't deserve it yet. You haven't developed the skill level that allows you to create that income yet. We're still developing those things. But now you're getting feedback from the business, and you take this feedback and you're able to apply it to your current books, but more importantly, to your next books. And those books become even better and start compounding down the road. Because remember, your first few books usually don't explode. You might publish 4 books and they might do okay, but then everything that you've learned from publishing those 4 books, you might publish that 5th book. That 5th book might make 5 or 10 times the amount that your first 4 books made combined. That happens time and time again in this business. I cannot stress that enough. So that's why you never got to get hung up on how bad 1, 2, or 3 books did, because it doesn't matter. As long as you learned something from those first initial books, you're going to keep improving and you're going to get this figured out. Results at this point of the game are usually very inconsistent. So sales up and down, but you're only making like 2 sales one day and then like 3 days later, or for the next 2 or 3 days, nothing, and then you'll make 2 more sales. And you're like, why is this so inconsistent? That's okay. That's all part of the game right now. What you have to do is you got to just keep learning, keep doing all the things that you were doing up until this phase, and just keep moving forward.